English short stories. Beneath the surface. When Leo first opened the new graphic design software, he shrugged. The interface was incredibly clean, featuring just a handful of icons scattered across a light gray canvas. It looked as simple as the basic paint program he had used as a kid, and he figured he would have his first digital art piece finished by lunchtime. Confident in his natural tech skills, he skipped the introductory tutorial videos entirely and jumped straight into his first project. However, the illusion of simplicity quickly vanished the moment he tried to create a complex 3D shading effect. Every time he clicked a tool, a hidden menu of advanced sliders and subsettings appeared, completely changing how the brush behaved. He realized that the program didn't force information on the user all at once. Instead, it concealed its power behind a deceptively minimalist design. Although the software looks simple, it takes time to master all the ins and outs of the program. Determined not to give up, Leo spent the next 3 weeks watching community forums and practicing every evening after school. He learned how to record custom macros to automate repetitive tasks and discovered keyboard shortcuts that drastically sped up his workflow. What he initially thought was a basic tool turned out to be an incredibly sophisticated engine capable of professional-grade animation. Each layer of the software he uncovered felt like unlocking a new level in a video game. By the end of the month, Leo looked at his completed artwork with a deep sense of pride. The final product was flawless, filled with intricate textures and dynamic lighting that he couldn't have achieved on day one. He smiled, remembering how overconfident he had been during his first session. He had finally mastered the program, but the experience taught him a valuable lesson about not judging a tool solely by its appearance.